So when we're inquiring about characters, we don't just say she's mad or she's mean, because there's not a lot of evidence to back that up, and it's a little bit of a thin idea. We want to get to the next idea, the deeper idea, right? All right, ready to go? Around all right, everybody else, off you go. Oh, the next chapter's too long. We'll pick it up.
What? No!
When you're thinking, I don't have any more ideas, this is the hard part. This is that blank paper that could be anything. That can be really hard. But we're going to do this. And you might think you don't have any more stories in you, but you do. Everyone does. We all have stories. And every writer has struggled with that blank piece of paper. So I want you to know that that's normal, but that we're going to push through it, okay? Can we do it? Awesome. All right. So the next thing we're going to be thinking about is characters struggle. What about being afraid of the dark? Anyone else struggle with this? When I was at a sleepover, I wanted to keep the light on. It was so embarrassing because I was afraid of the dark. So these are things that matter to me. So think about issues that have happened to you. Make a T-chart and write a story idea, and write down some issues that matter to you. Issues that you've had in your life. What do you think? Were you embarrassed because you were so wanting to fit in? Choose one and start writing it. Ready, go.
So I don't really have anything yet. I don't have anything.
Okay. Well, but you gotta, like, that's what you can add to the thought of you, not just the thought of the dog, but your thoughts. Okay?
And I'll write it down. Then, and then start your dialogue right there.
Ellie.
Yes! What, Ethan? There's a tadpole in my shoe!